All right, so in a previous video we did about how to install shingles or roofing basics, I don't remember what the title was. There were some comments going on and a dispute and discussion back and forth on that we were putting the ice and water on wrong. So what the people were saying, first let me explain how we do it. We put our edge metal or apron, whichever we're using, down on the roof deck. Then we put our ice and water on top. I'll explain why here in a minute. What the people commenting saying we were doing wrong is that if water backs up under, it's gonna be on the roofing deck, the wood surface. So what they do is they put their ice and water down, then their metal down. That way if it backs up, it's protected by the ice. There is some truth and validity to this, but what my thought is actually every crew, let me say that again, every crew I've ever been on, any guy I've ever worked with, they throw their ice down, run along the bottom, and they rock and roll. That's where the issue comes in. If you're gonna roll it down over your fascia board, yeah, then I'll agree, it's better. If you roll it down in past your fascia board into your gutter, even better. But what you don't do when you put it on your deck surface and not hanging it over, yeah, if it walks or rolls back, wicks up under, it's gonna be on your ice, but it's gonna run back under your edge metal and soak in right to that bottom edge right here. So I had to roll this up a little bit so you can get an idea what I'm talking about. I don't know if you can see it here with some light. See how it's all starting to soak up and rot out right there? Sorry, it's sideways, gotta fit the GoPro in there. And I gotta roll that back. This is really low slope. Honestly, I wouldn't even have a few shingles on this, but you know, if you're going to, fine. We always put our ice on top of the metal. You can see there's obvious water trail getting back under there, especially because it is a lower slope, getting onto the ice, running under the metal and into the bottom face of the wood, rotting this out right here. That's what we got going on. So as I said, let me know what your thoughts are. How do you do it? If you're a contractor, worked on a roofing crew, it doesn't matter. If you've installed roofs and you use ice and water, let me know which way you do it. Let me know your reasoning why, what you found. Keep it nice in the description, or the comment section down below. Let's not start an argument, but let's see where this goes. I want to see if more than 50% lean one way or the other, or if it's kind of cleanly divided down the middle. Let me know what your thoughts are. And until next time, be safe and see you then.